Soft replacement face brush heads for use with all Olay Facial Cleansing Systems. Refill comes with 2 brush heads which last up to 3 months each. Brush heads and cleansing system let you experience proven results at home with superior cleansing on hard-to-remove makeup. Fits with Regenerist Cleansing System, ProX Advanced Cleansing System, ProX Microdermabrasion plus Advanced Cleansing Systems. Cleansing brush can be used with any of the broad range of Olay facial cleansers. The perfect gift or stocking stuffer for the holiday season. Continue to experience proven results at home with these replacement facial cleansing brush heads for all of our Olay facial cleansing systems. For best results, Olay replacement brush heads should be changed every 3 months, or sooner if bristles become deformed. It's easy, just press the brush head onto the connection pin until it locks into position with a click. These soft bristle facial brush heads can be used with a broad range of Olay cleansers. Just rub facial cleanser onto your skin and let the power of the Olay facial cleansing brush go to work. Each rotation gently exfoliates and cleanses hard-to-remove makeup, leaving your face clean, exfoliated and primed for hydration. Top reviews from the United States. I finally found them. Olay don't sell them on their website. I finally found them. I looked everywhere on Olay's website and I couldn't find the refills and my other ones were shot with bacteria, gross. You can only clean then so much. I am glad I found these, they fit the Olay scrubber. Don't fall for the emission they want fit. I bought 2 sets. Love them.